Today I am folding my clothes. Really, I only do this once every few weeks, maybe, but not because I have a lot of clothes, but because I'm lazy. No, really, it's my depression. Some days I just don't do it. So this is how I fold shirts. I use my chest. I take the top seam and put my fingers there along the top seam, the shoulder seam, fold both halves in, 1 and 2 over each other in thirds. If the sleeves get in the way, I kind of fold them back. And then I make it go once and twice. So it just makes a little perfect square and it fits in my drawer. I'll show you in a minute what my drawer looks like. So here's another shirt that is a button-up shirt. So what I do is I go ahead and just do the top button, same thing with the shoulders, turn it towards me, 1/3 side, the other third side in, and then just in half and in half. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to put it away in my drawer, but again, I'll show you in a minute. So that's my shirts. Let me find a pants. So for the pants, just in half, and then we do it 1/3 of the way down, again 2/3 of the way down, and then in thirds, and it fits in your drawer quite well as 2. And I will show you that as well. Let me find another pants that I can put away so you can see. And let's do some underwear and socks. If I can find any underwear in here. Okay, so for underwear, just same as pants, in half, fold the bottom third up, fold the bottom third down, and then in half. For the socks, I don't do anything with my socks. As we've seen before, I get snaps, snap them together. When I put them in the wash, they stay together. I just pull this out of the laundry basket just like this. And then I just throw it in my drawer. Okay, come and take a look at my drawers so you can see what they look like. I'll fold it up. Sorry for the change of view. So there's my sock drawer, sock and underwear drawer. See, my socks are really just piled up. Here's my shirt drawer. I have 3 rows of shirts. And I am a minimalist, so I try not to keep any shirts that I don't wear. And here's my pants and my sweatpants and leggings and shorts. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Bye.